This is in response to all the queries that I received on my last video, which was about stepping into the 15th year with MBT. It was a blog that eventually turned into a marketing agency for authors. So that remains the main story. But what I would like to add now is that it wasn't an easy task. Like I had already mentioned, that it was more than 4-5 times that I almost quit the blog, in the sense that I had abandoned it at one point for over a year. Since a lot was happening in life. For those of you who know me personally, probably already know that I was going through my divorce, and then back in 2018, dad passed away. So all of these were like really life changing. Was the first thing that took hit was the blog. I couldn't focus, I couldn't write, and the blog suffered. It has evolved a lot over time, right? And being at it constantly and knowing what I want to do next, knowing all of that, and leading it in a certain direction is utmost important. So whether you want to just keep talking about books, you want to keep connecting with people, that is one way to do it. Another way to do it is whether you want to actually seriously pursue this as a career, you want to make it your profession, because that's something I wanted. And not give up. There will be times that that you'll be when you'll be disappointed, demotivated to keep pursuing it, but fighting it, tackling it, getting over it, and then eventually pursuing it again. And no matter what that is in life, I feel, whether it's blogging, whether it is pottery, whether it is any passion, any hobby, if you want to get somewhere with it, you have to be at it, guys. After all these consistent years, I'm in a place where I cannot live without it one single day. Whether it's the website, whether it's all the relationships I've made, whether it's with authors, readers, all of these have mostly culminated to become like long-standing friends for me. And honestly, I cannot live without all of it now. So, lesson number 1, never give up. Always find ways to come back to it. Most importantly, decide what do you want it to be. That will, pave the path for you. That will answer all your questions for you.